Good evening. Today's quote is a good one. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. Today's word is paradigm, a typical example or pattern of something. John's programming paradigm has taken the computer world by storm. Now, miscellaneous exercise 314 sum, prove that tan A plus tan of 60 degree plus A plus tan of 120 degree plus A is 3 tan 3A. We begin with LHS. Now, what is tan 60 degree? Root 3. What is tan of 120 degree? Tan of 120 degree is tan of 180 minus 60, which is minus tan 60 degree, which is minus root 3. I have omitted one step. I have directly written root 3. Basically, what is tan of alpha plus beta? Tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan. But tan 60 is root 3. That is why I have directly written root 3 plus tan upon 1 minus root 3 tan. Here also tan 120 degree, which is minus root 3 plus tan alpha upon 1 minus, but tan 120 is minus, so it is plus. Now what is LCM? Product of denominators. So 1 minus root, I'm sorry, root 3, I need not put this in bracket. This is 1 minus root 3 tan A, okay, into 1 plus root 3 tan A. You should know how to add fractions. Now this is tan A into what? Tan A means tan A upon 1. Actually it is tan A into 1 minus root 3, 1 plus root 3. Again, I'll take this liberty. I'll directly write 1 minus 3 tan square A. Okay. Plus root 3 plus tan A. Root 3 plus tan A. Oh, I won't be getting enough space to write this. Anyways, root 3 plus tan A into what? 1 plus root 3 tan A. Okay. With your kind permission, I will just remove this part. Okay. Plus minus root 3 tan A minus root 3 plus tan A into 1 minus root 3 tan A upon 1 minus root 3 tan A into 1 plus root 3 tan A. So if you open all the brackets, you have to be very careful. What about denominator? A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. See, these are the terms in the numerator. On simplification, you get 9 tan A minus 3 tan cube A. Take 3 common to get 3 into what? 3 tan A minus tan cube A upon 1 minus 3 tan square A. This is expansion of tan 3A. So we get 3 tan 3A, which is nothing but right hand side. 15th one, prove that 3 tan raised to 6 10 degree minus 27 tan raised to 4 10 degree plus 33 tan square 10 degree equal to 1. Now this is the most important step. What is tan 3 theta? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta upon 1 minus 3 tan square theta. Put theta equal to 10 degree. So tan 30 degree, because theta is 10. So 3 theta is 30 degree. What is tan 30 degrees? I have written that part here, 1 by root 3. So 3 tan 10 minus tan cube 10 upon 1 minus 3 tan square 10 square. Now what is a minus b square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. I hope you won't say that square of tan cube is tan raised to 9. No, a raised to m raised to n is a raised to mn. So square of tan cube is tan raised to 6 and not tan raised to 9. Okay, so same thing in the denominator. cross multiply, cross multiply, rearrange the terms to get the required answer. Sum number 16, prove that cosec 48 degree plus cosec 96 degree plus cosec 192 degree plus cosec 384 degree equal to 0. Now what is cosec 48 degree? 48 is complement of 42. Cosec 90 minus theta is sec theta, that is 1 upon cos 42 degree. What is cosec 192 degree? It is cosec 270 minus 78. That is why I insist that you should know all basic formulae. Allied angle 270 associated with y-axis, ratio changes, cosec cut co to get sec 270 minus lies in third quadrant, in which cosec ratio is negative. That is why minus sec, and sec is 1 by cos. For that sake, it is written as minus 1 upon cos 78 degree. Okay, what is cosec 384 degree? 384 degree is 360 plus 24. So cosec 24 degree. Therefore, cosec 48 degree plus cosec 192 degree is this. Find out LCM and so on. In the numerator, apply cos A minus cos B. And in the denominator, 78 is 60 plus 18 and 42 is 60 minus 18. So you get this. Now, what is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b? It is cos square a minus sin square b. Can be proved easily actually. Use de facto formula. And what is cos 2 theta? Either 2 cos square theta minus 1 or 1 minus 2 sin square theta. You can prove this later on. Now sin 18 degree we already obtained. Here we treat this as standard result. Substitute the values. What is sin cos 60 degree? Half sin 60 degree root 3 by 2. So on simplification, you get cosec 48 degree plus cosec 192 degree equal to minus 2 root 3. Now, what is cosec 96 plus cosec 384? It is cosec 96 plus cosec 24. Cosec is 1 by sin. Same logic. LCM and so on. Apply factor formula. In the denominator, sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. So we get this. Now we directly substitute the values for cos 36 degree, sin 36 degree. Sin 60, you know that it is root 3 by 2. So on simplification, so these are the values. On simplification, you get this as 2 root 3. So what is left hand side? Cosec 48 and so on. We have obtained values for both these brackets. Substitute them to get 0, which is nothing but right hand side. Sum number 17. Prove that 3 into 4th power of sine minus cos plus 6 into square of sine plus cos plus 4 sine raised to 6 plus cos raised to 6 is 13. Actually, in exam, please don't write like this. You are supposed to write sin x every time. But here I have written take sin x equal to s and cos x equal to c. So 4th power means what? Square of square. Now this last part is important. See, sine raised to 6 plus cos raised to 6 is there. Okay. Now what is a raised to 6 plus b raised to 6? It is a square plus b square cube minus 3a square b square into a square plus b square. What is the advantage? We can use the fact that sine square plus cos square is 1. So this is 3 into, what is sine minus cos square? Sine square plus cos square minus 2 sine cos. Okay. Plus 6 into, see, for sine square plus cos square, I have written 1. I have kept 2 sine cos as it is. Okay. Plus 4 into what? This is interesting. Sine square plus cos square 1. So 1 cube minus 3 sine square cos square into 1. So this is nothing but 3 into 1 minus 2 sine cos bracket square, okay, plus 6 plus 12 sine cos plus 4 minus 12 sine square cos square. Now tell me what will be 1 minus 2 sine cos bracket square. Now what is a minus b square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Open all the brackets. What remains is 13, which is nothing but right hand side. See, minus 12 sine cos plus 12 sine cos. These two terms get cancelled. 12 sine square cos square minus 12 sine square cos square. Okay. Now sum number 18 is a good one. Prove that tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 4 tan 4A plus 8 cot 4A equal to cot A. Now we begin with LHS obviously. I have simplified this. All the terms are in tan and this is in cot. Observe that angle is A. Here 2 times A, 2 times 2A is 4A, 2 times 4A is 8A. This clearly shows that we have to use tan 2A formula. What is cot? 1 upon tan. Now tan 8A is tan of 2 times 4A. What is tan 2 theta? 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta. Theta means 4A. So effectively this is 8 into 1 minus tan square 4A upon 2 tan 4A. And therefore LHS becomes, write down, tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 4 tan 4A plus this term 8 into what? 1 minus tan square 4A upon 2 tan 4A. Next step. So this is nothing but tan A as it is plus 2 tan 2A as it is. Okay. Now I will add these two terms, third and fourth. I take LCM as 2 tan 4A. So tell me what will be numerator. Numerator will be 8 tan square 4A. Okay. Plus open the bracket 8 minus 8 tan square 4A. You should know how to add fractions. So next step, this is nothing but tan A plus 2 tan 2A. Tell me on simplification we get what? 8 tan square 4A gets cancelled. 8 upon 2 tan 4A. So it is simply 4 upon tan 4A. Now again, what is tan 4A? Tan 4A is tan of 2 times 2A. Apply tan 2 theta formula again. So it is tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 4 upon. What is tan 4A? 2 tan 2A upon 1 minus tan square 2A, because 4A is 2 times 2A. Again I have used tan 2 theta formula. So on simplification we get this. Again 4 upon 2 is 2. So it is tan A plus 2 tan 2A plus 2 times 1 minus tan square 2A upon tan 2A. So this is nothing but tan A as it is. Now I will add these two terms. What is LCM? Tan 2A. What will be numerator? It will be 2 tan square 2A plus, here open the bracket. So 2 minus 2 tan square 2A. So this is tan A plus what remains? is just 2 upon, now I will omit one step. I will directly write what is tan 2a in the denominator, 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Okay, so this is tan a plus 2 into 1 minus tan square a upon 2 tan a. So this is tan a plus 1 minus tan square a upon tan a. I will split numerator, or you may say find LCM again, same thing. So tan a plus, if I split numerator, then 1 upon tan a minus tan square upon tan is just tan a. Now this tan a gets cancelled, and what is 1 upon tan a? It is nothing but cot a, which is nothing but right hand side. Sum number 19. If a plus b plus c is 3 pi by 2, then prove that cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. On first two, apply cos c plus cos d. Now cos 2c is written as 1 minus 2 sin square c. Why? Because we need 1 in the answer and we need sin c also. This is the reason. So this is 1 plus 2 cos of, rather, second step is 2 cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b for first two terms. And what is cos 2c? 1 minus 2 sin square c. Next step, 1 I have written in the beginning. Now, what is a plus b plus c? It is given to be 3 pi by 2. So what is a plus b? 3 pi by 2 minus c. Let me explain. Cos of 270 minus c. 270 ratio will change. So cos 2 sin 270 minus in third quadrant, in which cosine is negative, and that is why you will see that sign is changed. So minus 2 sin c, this as it is. Now take minus 2 sin c common. Let me explain. So 1 minus 2 sin c, in bracket you get cos of a minus b plus, I'm sorry, I should have written sin over here. I'll make that change. See, I have taken minus 2 sin c common, right? So cos of a minus b plus sin c. But instead of c, you can see that I have written 3 pi by 2 minus a plus b. Bar means bracket. Same logic. A plus b plus c is given to be 3 pi by 2. So 1 minus 2 sin c. This is cos of a minus b. Okay. Into what? Cos of a minus b as it is. Now, same logic. Sine of 3 pi by 2 minus. Sine changes to cosine. But in third quadrant, sine ratio is negative. So, minus cos of a plus b. Okay. Now, this is expansion of what? That is why you should know all standard results. Basically, this is expansion of 2 sin a sin b. 2 sin a sin b is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. So this is 1 minus 4 sin a sin b sin c. Just check whether this is required RHS or not. Yes, it is. Sum number 20. In any triangle ABC, if sin A minus cos B is cos C, then prove that angle B is pi by 2. Actually, I have taken this otherwise. If major angle B in triangle ABC is 90 degree, then sin A minus cos B is cos C. See, this is triangle ABC with major angle B equal to 90 degrees. This is the convention. Side opposite to angle A, its length is denoted by small a, and so on. Now, what is sin A minus cos B? Sin A is opposite side A upon hypotenuse, so A upon B, minus cos 90 degree, because B is 90 degree. What is cos 90? 0. A upon B. But A upon B for angle C, it is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So it is cos C. That's it. But if you say no sir, start with sin A minus cos B equal to cos C and obtain B equal to 90 degrees. That is also possible. How? You try that. I'll tell you first 2 3 steps. So sin A is basically cos B plus cos C. Okay. Now angle A is what? Pi minus B plus C. Why? Because A plus B plus C is given to be 180 degree. Okay. Now what is sine of 180 minus theta? It is sine theta. So sine of B plus C is cos B plus cos C. Okay. Now, what is sine 2 theta? Apply sine 2 theta formula on left hand side and apply cos B plus cos C, that is factorization formula on right hand side, and see what you get. Try to complete the solution. We'll discuss that in the next lecture. So that's it for today.